I have a injury in my left shoulder, which I got playing basketball. And
How long ago was that?
a year ago.
A little bit? Is it
I get a hemorrhage, but
it's too hard?
pain.
Pain right there? Okay, all right. Good.
Before really coach. And this is the pain.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning. And what brings you in? What's your complaint today?
Actually, I have a injury in my left shoulder, which I got playing basketball. And
How long ago was that?
a year ago.
A year ago, okay. Still bothering you?
Yes.
After a year?
Yes.
Okay. And you have something else going on in the lower back?
Lower back.
Does it go down your legs?
Yes.
And down your legs?
Yeah.
Right leg? Right leg, okay. Now the shoulder, can you just do like reach up a little bit? Is it a
I
little-
get a hemorrhage, but
It's too hard?
pain.
Pain right there? Okay, all right, okay. How about turn your head left and right? Pain there? Painful? Okay. Look up, please. Pain there? Yeah? Little pain there? Okay. Okay. And in your lower back, injury? Was there an injury there?
Not really an
No?
injury, but maybe because of fatigue and
Fatigue, exercise?
exercise.
Yeah, physical stress?
Yes.
Okay, okay. All right, so we're gonna examine you, and then we'll take it from there, get you adjusted, chiropractic adjustment, and then and then we'll have you sit back down and see if there's a difference. Okay, sir?
Okay.
This alignment here. Take a deep breath in, blow it all the way out. Perfect. Good. There you go. Okay, good. Good start. It's been a year, huh?
Yeah.
Okay, sir. How is your neck?
Good. It's good.
Easier? Move your arm?
Stay,
Yeah. Okay. How's your lower back?
okay.
Yeah. Hang down your legs. Any difference?
More relaxed. Yeah.
More relaxed? More relaxed in the lower back?
More stiffness.
Stiffness, okay. Range of motion?
Before really coach. And this is the pain.